Yes, my people, it's me again. Me say, people, I pass over Curly page today. Man, she come out with blood in her higher cha high today. Me say she fling some stone off her Gracie. She fling some off of 369. She fling some off of Bam Bam. But me say she talk some sitting over there, people. Me could chat what she talk say. Me wonder why she wait. Me say she level some allegation. Me say people I don't even want to mention some of them. But anyhow, first of all, she say Bam Bam come out run out pan her. She said 3 weeks ago Bam Bam they post one video and I say at her age she no business fear say she a boyfriend. They not true people at Curly age. Curly business fear talk about me I go pick up my boyfriend. At a woman at 51, the husband is supposed to talk about. What kind of boyfriend do people talk about? She come out a child and a cuss for that. Which I don't lie, we're a 51-year-old woman. At least we know she not 51, she about 68. Woman at that age talk about boyfriend. Husband, she supposed to talk about. And that she get blazed up and mad up over. Then now she come out and clarify sitting say when she did come out contact the other day say she get fired from her job. She never get fired. She only come out contact what she want social media people. Then she only attack what social media people want to hear. She said she never get fired. So how you come out? So why you come out and tell that lie? People no believe her. No believe her so she never get fired. After all of where did that go on at the house with the 96-year-old man? So why she not working at the place? She go say it was her time. It was soon her time to leave there. That is why she leave. And she say her content. A content she did a bill and she do want views and see why she can't tell people say she get fired from her job. Really? You don't believe that something goes so? I don't believe that she did get fired. No man, we say Curly chat on something, Curly lie. Then she come up me and she a fling some big stone off of Gracie. She a say when Gracie come call her people in funeral. And I tell her, I say, oh, her dress no good. She say, anyway she but Gracie, one what she a go do her. Because Gracie can't step to her. A bad girl. Because you know how she say. She say, anyway. She say, if Marcia say, she a go apply for her GUN license. And anybody test her, them a go know what time it is. But they wait, they not that she a go apply for gun license for. Eh? Then they think they sound right. Then this a woman a head upon her body. Then me hear she talk about say, oh, anyway, any day she book 369. If 369 come a Oxford, him now come back the way how him come there. Then now what kind of plan this a woman have? A serious threat them there, you know. Them there serious threat there, you know. And she a say if 360 go Jamaica, she a go send in crew them pan him. If you go do him things. And all this. And them they sitting there serious threat, you know, man. Eh? I mean, the man they give all patch up on the internet, but me tell you, so no need to stop threatening one head up on the internet, you know. Eh? You know, so you can't get trouble if you do then sit down, man. You need to learn to control yourself. You can't come out by your platform and talk them a kind of something here. Eh? Then she go say anywhere she say Gracie. She go karate Gracie. I make she know say she not playing with her. Yeah, because you know you she talk from what you say. She want Gracie before she go in a church, go baptize and serve her God. Because one what she go do her. Lady, you need to control yourself because on church, we're not church on one end these days. I don't know how I'm going to make it out. But members say Gracie, they go up on our platform, go trouble her too. Because Gracie go take up phone and go call her a trouble her in a church. But me she say the dress what she did wear go church, go a funeral, the same dress her Gracie I say no look good. She said the dress what she wear go funeral, the belt could fit her. so she could have put the belt on her waist. That what was the problem with it? I want to think was the problem with the belt. Why the belt could have fit on her waist. Me just I said because she said a newborn dress she buy, and when she put the belt on her waist, she could have wear it at the funeral. She have to use something else. So our cause the belt could have grown on her waist. Something else sound right there, so. Me I wonder what. But man, she talks something upon her life over there. But lady, me I tell you, say you need to control yourself because you talk something that's go put in yourself in some dangerous trouble out there, you know. You go put in yourself in some trouble. So, because she even say, she go send her baby father pan Mr. 360. And anyone see what I'm going to do him. Lady, you don't need to stop sending threat, you know. Because I know everybody take threat lightly. You don't need to stop it.